I'm going to do a little more math here. I'm going to go to 5th grade. You can see we have 27 objectives in 5th grade. So let's do this one. I'm going to do the coordinate plane extended. Let's see what games we have here. We have line balloons. Oh, that looks fun. But let's do the 4th level of these line balloons. Alright, so what the heck does this look like? Let's see. So I have one balloon down here, 2 balloons over here. I have these little arrows and a green thing here. I have a grid here also. I'm going to click on this grid and see what happens. Oh, that just gets rid of my grid. Alright, let's see what happens if I click this. I'm going to try and put them, line up my balloons. Let's see what that does. See how my balloons are in between the lines. Oops, it looks like one of my balloons was not on my line there. And I think that was the right thing to do though. I'm just trying to line up my balloons. Let's see, is that going to give me a nice straight line right through the balloons? Not quite. Let's see, one more up. How about that? Yep, now I had a nice straight line through the balloons, knocked them all out of there. Right, I'm just lining up. This turns my little thing in the middle. I'm going to line up my balloons. I'm not sure if I'm lining up the lines or the balloons themselves or these little yellow lines. Let's try that and see what that does. I didn't touch the balloon that time on that one. So I'm going to move it a little more. Try to hit both balloons. No, that time I didn't hit either balloon. So I'm going to go a little lower. Oh, look, I can move these all over the place. Let's do that. That'll help me. I'm going to move you there, and then I'm going to move you right here. See if that does anything. No. Oh, I got one balloon. I'm going to try again. Put my balloons in a nice line here. I guess if I move one, it moves the other one. I want them closer to the balloon so I can see. Oh, but it puts it way up there. How about there? Let's see if I got them straight enough now. One of them I did, the other one I didn't. No, neither of them that time. Alright, I found this now. Look at this. I can move these up and down. So let's do that. I think that will help me. I'm going to move you there, so I can hit both balloons. I think it's going to work now. All that time I didn't know I could move that middle thing around. Right, so this is a coordinate plane. I can go up, down, I can go left, right. If I go right, I count positive. If I go left, I count negative. If I go up, I count positive. If I go down, I count negative. And this is actually really something we do in math. We try to put a nice straight line through coordinate planes. Let's see, I'm going to move this up a little, like here. There we go. Now I see I'm going to hit all my balloons. There we go. Right, sometimes I try to do the same thing over and over and I'm doing it the wrong way. Let's put my balloons here now. I'm going to twist my thing just a little bit. I think I will hit all the balloons now. Measuring it out, let's see. Oh, I missed that last balloon there. It was not in a nice straight line. So I'm going to move it, this time I'll just move it a little bit higher. And I'm going to turn it just a titch. Let's see if that'll work. Ah, I still missed that bottom balloon. Alright, so I'm going to move this one up even a little higher and see if now I can hit all my balloons. I'm not going to move that. I'm just going to leave it like that. Oh, I guess I got to move this one too. Just a touch. Let's see if that works. I think this is my time. No, I missed the other two balloons completely. So let's turn this even more and move it even lower. Right, I think that might be my problem. So let's see now. It might go through all the balloons. I'm going to try it. Ah, I still missed that other balloon. I think this time I got it though. I'm going to move my I'm going to twist it. Yes, finally. Alright. I guess I should do one more since it took me forever to do that one. Let's see, is this going to line up nice and straight? I think on my first try I'm going to get this one. Nice, yay. Alright, let's go back. So let's do a line capture. Uh-oh. Alright, so I have two right here. I guess I can move this up and down. Oh, it goes positive, it goes up. Negative, it points down. Let's see here too. Can I go right or left? Nope, just up or down. I'm trying to capture both of them. Let's see, is this going to do it? Let's see, is it in a nice line here? I don't know. I feel like I want to tilt that one up, but let's see what happens. Oh, and now I get to move it this way. Now I get to move it this way. Oh no, it's giving me the line. Oh, there we go. Look, I can put them on the line. Nice. Okay, this one was a little tricky for me. So first I have to move this one up. I'm going to put it in between them. Whoops, I had to go higher. So I'm going to go up to that first one right here. And then I'll twist this one. Try and get them on the same line. It's tricky. So I'm going to move this one up here to right about there. And then turn my bar so I catch both of them in there. There we go. I got 10 minutes already on this one. So let's see though. Alright, so I have x at 1 and 10 and y at 3.6 and 0. So I see x is 1 when y is 3.6. So I'm going to go, there's 1. Y is at 3.6-ish here. And then x here is 10 and 0. 10 and it's on 0. So I think I got it right. So this is an xy plane, right? One is labeled x, one is labeled y. So you can see your numbers. X goes with 5 when y is at 2.6. So when x is on 5, y is going to be 2.6, a little, right? 2.5 would be right in the middle, 2.6. So let's see if that would work for this. When x is at 12, y is at 2. I'm going to do that one. Maybe that one's easier. When x is at 12, y is at 2. Let's see, what did I do wrong here? X is at 5, y is at 2.6. Oh, that's what happened maybe. I was not at 2.6. I'm going to move this up to 2.6. Let's try now. Let's see my... Whoops. It's just a little bit off. My x is at 5. My y is at 2.6. I guess I have to move it over here. There we go. So now my x is at 5, my y is at 2.6, and my x at 12 is going to be up at 2. I'm pretty close. Let's see if that one works. Yay! Sorry, I guess I'll do one more since I botched the last one a little bit. Let's see. Okay, when my x is at 2, my y is going to be at 0.8. So 0.8 is less than 1. Maybe there. Let's see, when my x is at 9, my y is going to be at 0. I guess I can move it up just a little bit. So when my x is 9, my y is 0. And I can see right here, my x is 9 and my y is 0. And there we go.